how to sign out the Netflix account on your smart TV using this browser. Okay, here in browser, make sure you log in your Netflix account on your browser. After you log in, you can see the homepage of your Netflix and you can see on the top the menu. On the right side of this menu, you can see device. Okay, tap device. And now you can see the account access. And you can see here in this device the access and devices. Manage sign in devices. So you can manage the account you sign in to your Netflix account. So for my example, I removed the Netflix account on this smart TV. So using this, the Netflix account on smart TV is log out. So okay, you'll have to do is tap the access and device here. And now you can manage and access the device on your Netflix account. So okay, you can scroll down for more account. So find the smart TV. So if you cannot find your smart TV, so you can see here the show more. You can tap this. And as you can see here, now you can find the Devant Smart TV. So okay, you can see this sign out button here. So you can log out the account on your smart TV using this. You'll have to do is tap the sign out button here. And okay, the device smart TV is now signing out. Okay, that's it. So okay, we can try it to search. So as you can see, we have trouble playing this title right now. So please try again later or select a different title. So okay, we have successfully signed out the Netflix account on this smart TV using the browser on your mobile phone. And okay guys, if you have a question, kindly comment below. And don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the bell to notify you if I have new video. Okay, thanks for watching.